It seems mga Kucheron, itong mga kakamping, has a penchant for awarding certain people simply because of their politics. Mukhang ganon mga Kucheron, mukhang ganon. Nakakatawa lang isipin na nangyayari pa rin pala yan ngayon. Example nga natin itong si Chot Reyes, di ba? Matapos siyang matalo sa Italy kanina. Gilas Pilipinas crashes out of FIBA World Cup after loss to Italy. Wala na. Out na tayo sa FIBA. Imagine tayong host, tayo nawala. Saklap, man! Gilas Pilipinas turned in its most cohesive outing in the FIBA World Cup on Tuesday night, but it was not enough against an Italy side that rediscovered its lethal touch. Wow! Rediscovered its lethal touch? Oh my God! Ano lang daw, mas magaling lang